How to post multiple pictures on Snapchat story. So if you have multiple photos on your gallery and now you want to upload all photos to your Snapchat story at once, here's how to do it. Go ahead and launch your Snapchat app. Now tap on this gallery or upload icon. And here select camera roll. Now tap on select. Now select those photos you want to upload to your story. So as you can see here, I've selected 3 different photos. Now tap on send. And here select my story. And tap on send. And it may take some time to upload all photos to your Snapchat story. Once done, I'm going to my Snapchat profile page. And as you can see, I've uploaded 3 different photos to my Snapchat story. And to upload multiple pictures in a single story, here's how to do it. To do that, first of all, we have to make a photo grid using those photos. To make photo grid, we can use our browser. On your browser, all you have to need search for online photo grid. And here you will find lots of websites where you can easily make a photo grid using your pictures. So I'm going to opening this second website. And here tap on select photos, media picker, and tap and hold on a single photo. And first of all, here select images, and first of all select a single photo, then you will be able to select multiple photos here. Then tap on select. And here you will see your photos uploaded. Now scroll down. Here you will see your grid preview. To change grid layout, here you can select layout from this list. So I'm going to selecting this grid layout. Now scroll up and tap on save collage. Now go to your gallery and here you'll find the photo grid. Now it's time to upload this photo grid to our Snapchat story. So go to Snapchat and tap on upload, camera roll, and select the grid photo where you uploaded multiple pictures. Send to, select my story, and simply send the story. So this is how we can post multiple pictures on Snapchat story in 2 different ways. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.